Hey, hi guys, my name is Nag Shekhar and you are watching me on Tech My Hair channel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the TCS registration process for Ninja for 2022 guys. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, our channel name is Tech My Hair and you can click on subscribe button and also you can click on the notification button. So this is our dashboard. You can see videos from our YouTube channel and also you can see there is a special playlist called TCS where you can watch all these videos for more information regarding this TCS. So now without any delay, let's dive into the video. And now let's talk about the important dates for this TCS. So as you all know, already the registration has been opened and the registration end date is August 15, that is Independence Day for India, and the test date was from 30th August, and the interview dates was not yet finalized. After the clearing of the written test, you will have an interview date and it will be mostly on online mode. Now let's talk about the test eligibility. So for test eligibility, the year of passing should be 2022. This is a strict criteria. Whether you can be BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc guy, the year of passing should be 2022 and you should have minimum of 60% aggregate or 6 GCPA in 10th, 12th, diploma or undergraduation or in post graduation. You should not have more than one active backlog while appearing TCS selection process, and while you are joining the TCS you should not have any pending backlog. You should clear all the pending backlogs. And coming to the test pattern, the test pattern is having two parts, part A and part B. Part A is having cognitive skills and part B is having programming skills. In cognitive skills, it has broadly classified with the three parts: one with numerical ability, second one with verbal ability, and third one with reasoning ability. And coming to this programming part, you will be having two parts. One is programming logic and second one is hands-on coding. This entire test will held for 3 hours. Now let's talk about the registration process. Yeah, the first step is you need to go to the next step portal. Yeah, see, this is a next step portal where you can see this registration button. Now I am clicking on the registration button. Here you will be asked to select for the category. So as we are applying for Ninja role, as it was an information technology category, you can select on this. So you will be directed to this registration page with some basic information. So let me fill that and so that we can click on the submit button. So here I have entered the sample details guys. You can select, you can have your name with all the things like first name, last name and middle name. You can give your date of birth, you can give the gender, you can give the valid email ID and you can give the phone number. You can give your institution name and you can select the whatever the qualification you are, whether you are from BSc background or from BTech background, you can give the correct qualification here. And this was a very important thing, the year of passing should be 2022 only. And if you are interested to take exam from the test location, you can take from there, or else if you can also take from your home. So for now you can just enter this nearest test location and you need to have a password. See here, I am having one password. The conditions for this password is you need to have one uppercase, one lowercase, one special symbol and one digit. You can have one security question and with the answer, and you can enter this captcha that is given. So I am clicking on the submit. So soon after I click on submit, so here it is saying that you had your email ID is this and your mobile number is this. I was clicking on confirm. So once we click on confirm, here we are getting this CD number. This CD number is very important. Please note this CD number somewhere. So here I am clicking on continue. So it is asking for password. So whatever the password you have created. Yeah, after clicking on submit button, you will be directed to this page called TCS next step page. So here you need to click on this application form. After clicking on this application form, here you will be asked to start filling this form. So here in this form we had 4 sessions, and in first session you will be asked to enter all these details like personal details like permanent address, present address and contact details. So after entering all these things you can click on save and continue. So After entering personal details, you are supposed to enter the academic details, like what is the highest qualification category. If you are a undergraduate or postgraduate or a PhD guy, you can enter all those details. And also you can you can also enter 10th 12th grade marks, and if you have any NSE certification details, you can enter there. If you have any other company experience or internship experience, you can enter all these details in this academic work experience details. And on this other details tab, other details session, you need to enter what are the languages you know, if you are done with any certifications, or if you get any achievements, you can enter here. And you are supposed to upload your resume, updated resume, and also you need to enter upload a photo. And after having these three sections, the final section here is you need to enter the security details, and you can check the application form preview. So if after entering each and every session, you can see a green tick mark upon this. And after entering all these details, and if you are good with everything, you can click on I agree, and you can click on this submit application form. As I was doing for the test account, I was not entering all these details, and after entering that, you will be redirected to a tab called as apply for drive. So from this point, this is a very important thing, you need to click on this apply for drive. After clicking that, you will be asked for two options, that is, are you interested to take exam, that is written test, in center or remote. In center in the sense you are supposed to take from your home, and you need to have good internet connectivity with more than 2 Mbps of speed. And if you are supposed to take from remote location, that means test center, you can click on that remote, and you can take the test from the test center. Based on the mode of test, you will have an exam, and click on apply. So after clicking on apply, you can track your application details, whether you are applied for the drive or your application is not applied for the drive. So you can check that, track your information, such that you came to know whether you have applied for this drive or not. This is a very important step, guys. After filling everything, check whether your application is in this state or not, apply for drive state or not. If it is in that state, you are successfully done with our registration. After successful registration, you please start preparation, and you can crack it easily, guys. Please believe on yourself. You can crack and you can do miracles. That's it from our end, guys. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe and click bell icon for instant notifications. And also you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram. Links are provided in the description. Bye.